Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your Earbuds Edifier X5 Pro using application. You have to start by open Edifier Connect application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right top. At the third line we have Find My Product and you need to tap on it. But firstly, your earbud should be outside of the charging case, or they could be inside the charging case, but the lid should be open, because if you close the charging case with these earbuds inside, these earbuds will automatically disconnect it from your phone and you cannot use the application. Now, as you can see, I cannot use it. Just give a second to this application. Yeah, and there is no earbuds here. So, or inside the charging case with open lid, or outside the charging case. And of course your earbuds should be charged. So then we go here and we can play this application will play a sound for your earbuds. And even if you do not increase the volume, because it uses volume on your phone, this sound level depends on the volume on your phone. It will automatically increase it to 100%. So right now, as you can see, I have 0 and I click search. Now I have 100%. You can lower this volume if you need it or increase it. When you found it, you need to click Found and it will stop to play this sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!